Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a GamePass in Roblox. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, you can consider subscribing my channel. So like the video. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com on any browser, but I will recommend you to use Chrome browser because it help you to enable the desktop version if you are using a mobile. So if you're using iPhone and if you're using Safari, then you can enable the desktop version by using tapping on here. Here will be smallest A and capital A. You just need to tap on it to enable the desktop version. So once you enable, it will take you to this home page, but before that you have to log in into your account. Once you log in, it will take you to this home page, and now if you want to create a GamePass, you have to tap on this create tab, and it will take you to this dashboard, and where in the experiences, this is our default experiences, so you just need to tap on it. And now if you want to create a GamePass, you have to tap on this menu, tap on it, and little scroll down, and now you have to tap on associate items to create a GamePass. So in associate items you will find three things: badges, passes, and developer products. So you just need to tap on passes to create GamePass. So guys, to create a GamePass, you just need to tap on this create a pass button. Now after a recent update, now you don't have to upload an image. It is now optional to, so the default image will be used for the GamePass. So if you want to upload an image, you can do that. You just need to tap on this change button and you can upload the image if you want, but I am leaving it as default. So now if you want to, you can enter the name of the GamePass if you want. So I'm gonna enter here testing 100. So now you have to enter the description here, but it is also not mandatory. You can leave it, it is optional. Now you can tap on the create path button to create a GamePass. So this is the simple steps to create, but now if you want to configure it, you have to tap on newly created GamePass. So just tap on it. So in configure, we usually set the price of the GamePass, and so you now need to tap on this menu button, and now you have to tap on this sale button. So in sale, we usually have a button, toggle button here for the sale to enable it for the sale. So you have to tap on this toggle button to enable it, and now you have to enter the price of the GamePass in Robux. So I'm gonna enter 50 Robux here for now, and now you can tap on this save changes. So your GamePass price has set and it is now enabled for the sale. So now you just need to move to your please donate game in Roblox and list this GamePass on any empty stand. So if you don't know how to do that, you can watch my recent video on that, and I can give you a link in the description, or you can see the I button and just tap on it to watch it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.